So we are start to build, install the model 039. So I think this is the back panel glass. Make sure you have a rubber hammer and make sure it's the same level of the frames. This is the different one with the recess. Okay, so put the screws on. See, the recess is just become to accept the curved one. See, the curved ones cover this curved recess to accept the curved one. They are just temporary. If you're thinking it's difficulty to put a screw in, you need some clamps.这个是啥油啊？
这个就是那个黄油也可以。啊。这个油。
This is just like a grease, like normal grease. The door stops here. That one has to be. Make sure the straight goes. 这个多少？设定多少米的？啊？多少米的设定啊
3.2。
啊 ，Yeah, the drill bit is the 3. The diameter for the drill bits is 3.2 mils. So this nicely to catch up the screws. Remember, the drill bits is diameter is 3.2 mils. I think the same thing the other rings.